Okay, so a wise man once said you should never, ever, ever give all your secrets away without charging for it. So you are getting more and more experience, you're building your business out, you're looking for those multiple revenue streams. There's always people that are willing to learn from other people. That's one thing that I've, discovered on my journey as a coach. And, a coaching skill is a skill that you need, but it's very enjoyable and it's very satisfying. So education could be another revenue stream into your business. And I'm always looking for good coaches to come onto my bench. And, if you're wanting to discuss that, I'm more than happy to tell you a bit about how I'm thinking about doing that and how I want to implement you in and how you would get rewarded for it. And, ultimately that might just be the stepping stone between you then going on to set your own thing up, but if you want to work with me, then I'm more than happy to have that conversation. But education is all about making sure you're delivering value and trying to get the best results for your students. It's not about the money. The money will come. It's about getting for me, it's satisfaction of seeing that what I've put together, what I've learned is getting results for other people and is helping them get to that next stage in their life. And that for me is really satisfying and, really pushes me to want to deliver more and more value. So education can become another revenue stream in your business. If you'd like to discuss it further, then just book a call with me. We can hammer it out, whether you come on my bench or whether you want to set your own programs up. I can teach you how to do that as well and make sure that you're delivering it. Obviously, you've been through this. Hopefully, you're seeing how good it is, and there's good things that you can take from it, and and you can go your own way. But a lot of it is to do with branding and marketing and getting yourself out there. But at the same time, there's always somebody that you can teach. There's always someone below you that will learn from you, and they might be willing to pay you for it if you resonate with them. So education, never put it off the table. It could be a great revenue stream for you, and it's definitely something that you should look to bolt on as you get more and more experience with your property business, because really you should be leveraging yourself out of the property business a bit like I have. Still ticking, still, pushing it hard, but you just keep an eye on it, and then it allows you to have more free time, which obviously you can spend for things like education and, other revenue streams.